is calm, the stars align. Your peace flows through my mind. Every whisper calls my name, and I'll never be the same. Your mercy breathes the air I feel. Your presence makes me real. I close my eyes and see your face wrapped in silent grace. You move so quietly, yeah, you're all I see. Your light begins to rise across my weary skies. Silent grace, you speak so clear, even when I can't hear. Every moment, every part, you're healing my heart. Silent grace, you never fade. In you I'm unafraid. Forever I will stay in silent grace. Your stillness fills my broken soul. Your love makes me whole. Every tear you turn to light, and darkness fades from sight. Your peace is more than words can say. It's with me night and day. Your presence rests like gentle rain and washes every pain. You move so quietly, yeah, you're all I see. Your light begins to rise across my weary skies. Silent grace, you speak so clear, even when I can't hear. Every moment, every part, you're healing my heart. Silent grace, you never fade. In you I'm unafraid. Forever I will stay in silent grace. You are the calm within my soul, the peace that makes me whole. You hold me close, I hear you say, I'm with you every day. Even when the night is long, your presence keeps me strong. Forever I will praise your silent grace. Your silent grace. Silent grace. Silent grace, you speak so clear, even when I can't hear. Every moment, every part, you're healing my heart. Silent grace, in silent grace. Silent grace. mercy fills the tide. Every color sings your name. The world will never be the same. You wipe away the tears I've known. You call my heart your own, and every shadow fades away as light begins the day. You breathe new life in me, a hope so endlessly. With every dawn I see, your grace is lifting me. Morning of grace, you make me new. Every moment points to you. Your love shines through the skies, forever open wide. Morning of grace, I'm standing still, surrounded by your will. Forever I will praise this morning of grace. The ocean dances in your light. Your peace restores the night. Every wave becomes a song to where I now belong. Your spirit whispers through the breeze and brings my soul to peace. Every heartbeat, every sound, your glory all around. You breathe new life in me, a hope so endlessly. With every life in me, a hope so endlessly. With every dawn I see, your grace is lifting me. Morning of grace, you make me new. Every moment points to you. Your love shines through the skies, forever open wide. Morning of grace, I'm standing still, surrounded by your will. Forever I will praise this morning of grace. Let your light rise higher still. Your peace my heart will fill. Every step I walk your way, through every brand new day. You turn my sorrow into song, your joy where I belong. Forever I will say this morning of grace. Morning of grace, you make me new. Every moment points to you. Your love shines through the skies, forever open wide. Morning of grace, I'm standing still, surrounded by your will. Forever I will praise this morning of grace. Morning of grace, forever you stay. Morning of grace. You're alive with me, forever shining free. The dawn awakes inside my soul. Your light has made me whole. Through every shadow, every pain, your love from where I've been. You breathe your peace with. Now every breath I take is new, a song that leads to you. Your glory fills the sky. Your grace will never die. You move in everything. My soul begins to sing. Light within me, burning bright. You turn my dark to light. Every heartbeat, every flame, I'll praise your holy name. Light within me, set me free. Your spirit lives in me. Forever I will be with the light within me. With the light within me. The stars above begin to fade. Your sunrise fills my days. Every color paints your love, descending from above. Your presence whispers through the breeze. My soul falls to its knees. Ooh, every moment shines so clear when I know you're near. Your glory fills the sky. Your grace will never die. You move in everything. My soul begins to sing. Light within me, burning bright. You turn my dark to light. Every heartbeat, every flame, I'll praise your holy name. Light within me, set me free. Your spirit lives in me. Forever I will be with the light within me. You are the fire inside my veins, the joy through all my pain. Your peace runs deep and wide. Forever at my side, I'll shine your love through all I do. My heart belongs to you. The world will finally see your light within me. Light within me, burning bright. You turn my dark to light. Every heartbeat, every flame, I'll praise your holy name. Light within me, set me free. Your spirit lives in me. Forever I will be with the light within me. Light within me. We'll finally see light within me. Glory arise, light fills the skies. The morning breaks, the colors sing. Creation bows before the King. Your presence moves, your fire shines. Your spirit fills these minds. The heavens glow, the earth proclaims the beauty of your name. Every heart begins to rise as glory fills the skies. You move in every sound. Your love is all around. your light begins to show. Your promise echoes through the sea. Your truth has set me free. Every soul testify. Your name be lifted high. You move in every sound. The darkness fades away as your kingdom lights the day. Glory arise, let heaven rain. Your power breaks every chain, every voice, every soul. You make us whole. Glory arise, let your love shine, eternal and divine. Forever we will praise as glory arise. Let your fire fill this place. Pour out your endless grace. Let the nations sing your name. Forever you remain. Every light reflects your throne. We're never on our own. Heaven's song we raise as glory fills our day. Glory You're light in our eyes. Forever you shine. Glory arise. Grace unending, your love descending. When I fall, you lift me high. You catch my every cry. Your mercy flows like gentle rain. You wash away my pain. Your kindness deeper than the sea. Forever rescuing me. Through ever let me go. Your love forever flows. Your promise still remains. Through joy and through pain. Grace unending, flowing free. Forever changing me. Every heartbeat, every sound. Your mercy Your promise still remains through joy and through pain. Grace unending, flowing free, forever changing me. Every heartbeat, every sound, your mercy all around. Grace unending, pure and white, your spirit lives inside. Forever I will be in grace unending. You're the calm inside the storm, the place my heart is warm. You hold me close, you make me whole. You're the anchor of my soul. Forever I will sing the mercy you bring. From now until the end, your grace won't bend. Grace won't bend. Grace unending, flowing free, forever changing me. Every heartbeat, every sound, your mercy all around. Grace unending, pure and white, your spirit lives inside. Forever I will be in grace unending. Grace unending, forever descending. Grace unending. Heaven in motion, your love in devotion. The air is filled with holy sound, your presence all around. Every rhythm, every wave declares the love you gave. You move like light across the sea, your spirit dances free. Heaven's heartbeat through the sky, your glory passing by. You move the world with gentle grace, your mercy fills this place. Every moment, every tone, you make your kingdom known. Heaven in motion, flowing inside, your spirit's alive. Every heartbeat sings your name, your love forever the same. Heaven in motion, lifting my soul, your peace makes me whole. Forever I'll believe. Heaven in motion in me. Heaven in motion. Heaven in motion. Your presence shines through every storm. Your hands keep me warm. Every breath I give to you becomes a song anew. Your grace is moving endlessly, a tide inside of me. Your light consumes the dark, reunites my heart. You move the world with gentle grace, your mercy fills this place. Every moment, every tone, you make your kingdom known. Heaven in motion, flowing inside, your spirit's alive. Every heartbeat sings your name, your love forever the same. The stars are shining in your grace. Your presence fills this place. Every whisper calms my fear. I know that you are near. The night surrenders to your light. Your glory burning bright in every heart that calls your name. Your love remains the same. You shine through every storm. Your light forever warm. Your mercy never fades. In you I'm unafraid. Eternal glow shining inside. You're my peace, my guide. Every heartbeat, every flame, I live to praise your name. Eternal glow, endless and pure. Your love forever sure. Forever I will know your eternal glow. Your eternal Your light awakens all I am. Your grace, the perfect plan. Even when the shadows fall, you're brighter than them all. You paint the sky with faith and fire. Your presence lifts me higher. Every soul begins to rise as glory fills the skies. You shine through every storm. Your light forever warm. Your mercy never fades. In you I'm unafraid. Eternal glow shining inside. You're my peace, my guide. Every heartbeat, every flame, I live to praise your name. Eternal glow, endless and pure. Your love forever sure. Forever I will know your eternal glow. Let your light fill every space. Your truth, your boundless grace. You're the dawn that breaks the night. My everlasting light. All creation sings your name. Forever you remain. Your glory overflows the world in your Your eternal glow. Your truth becomes my song. Every tear that I have cried, you turn to hope inside. Through the silence you still speak. Your love restores the weak. You lift me higher than before. I'm yours forever.